Welcome back to EcoSmart Living. Today, we're talking about one of the easiest ways to reduce your carbon footprint, saving energy at home. Here are 5 simple energy-saving tips that not only help the planet but also save you money. Let's get right into it. 1. Switch to LED bulbs. These last longer and use 75% less energy than traditional bulbs. Host switching out bulbs. 2. Seal windows and doors. Proper insulation can cut your heating and cooling costs significantly. Host applying weather strips to a window. 3. Use a smart thermostat. Program your thermostat to adjust the temperature when you're not home. Host demonstrating how to use a smart thermostat. 4. Unplug appliances. Even when turned off, appliances still use energy if they're plugged in. Host unplugging devices. 5. Install solar panels. Even small solar setups can reduce your energy bills. A quick shot of solar panels on a roof. Which of these energy-saving tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And be sure to subscribe for more easy ways to live sustainably and save money. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.